Well everyone, so I'm back. Look at this hair, lockdown hair. So here we are, I'm going to turn you around. What we've got here now is a project we've just taken on for a client. It's in Crewe. It's a 7-bed, all ensuite HMO. There's going to be some little sort of mini kitchenettes. There's going to be 3 in total. There's going to be 1 behind me. This is going to be a communal living room kitchen. There's 1 going to be through the wall there, and there's 1 going to be directly above. There's a loft conversion, also a 6-metre rear extension. What I'll do, I'll go outside now, give you a look, and I'll walk you around and give you a good understanding of what we're going to be doing. So stay tuned. So coming outside the property, it's corner plot. This road here, and also on the street here. You can see already there's parking all the way down the street. There's plenty of parking down here as well, and also parking all the way down to them bins there, which the property goes down to there. Oh, move my finger. So plenty there. As we said, 7-bed, all ensuite, loft dormer conversion with a rear extension. I'll show you down this side. So the property starts there, goes all the way back, and you're going to be seeing a dormer on the back of that, and a big 6-metre extension out to the rear. Let's take you inside, give you more of an in-depth information. So this is a side door. This is obviously your normal, as you think of the front door. This used to be an old shop on the corner. So you access the property from here, and there's a back door which is into a current conservatory. What we're going to be doing is walking in. If this has smell-o-vision, it'd be not very nice. So you walk straight to the front door, up the staircase. And what we're going to be doing is cutting a hole through here, or actually through there, and then we're going to be putting a stud wall from the window down here, and there's going to be a kitchen there. So you walk through the wall, as you can see here, you'd walk through there into a kitchen down the side, small kitchen. There'll be a wall, there'll be a door literally here, so you walk in to your kitchen, door there, fire door behind me, door here for the bedroom. So nice size bedroom. The ensuite will be literally right in the corner, which will be, if you think there. So you're going to have a bedroom, ensuite, wall coming down here, and a mini kitchen down the side. You walk into here, this is the kitchen lounge. I'm loving these sofas. If anyone's interested, get in touch. But once again, we've got to do a kitchen worktop here, a mini kitchen again, kitchen and lounge. It's a spec that the council have requested. I think it's a bit over spec from what's going to be in here anyway, but this is what they want. Lovely Artex ceilings. All the asbestos reports come back, and that's clear, so that's great to see. These old-fashioned doors with lead lined. What's going to be happening here then now? This is the lounge. You come through the lounge, you cut through under the staircase, which will be there. You put a doorway in there, you walk under the staircase, turn left, we'll get some plans, and you walk down a corridor on the outside wall. This will be bricked up, and that is part of bedroom 2. So bedroom 1 behind me on the ground floor. Bedroom 2 is going to be from that window all the way across to a walkway width there. It's going to be ensuite. So what you'll do, all that boil will be taken out, you cut through there, come along a corridor all the way down, let's say where the worktop is, go straight through. This is a bedroom ensuite. I'm going to take down this wall. There's a lot of walls and corridors and toilets in here. So literally here, there's going to be a doorway, there's going to be another kitchen there, which is a shared kitchen. This old conservatory is getting taken down, and we're going to be pushing that out to a 6-metre rear extension, which is going to be a bedroom, bathroom, also a doorway out in this corridor. So if you can imagine, you come under the staircase, you walk all the way down where the worktop is, all the way down to a doorway out. So you got bedroom 3 ensuite rear, bedroom 2 centre, bedroom 1 right at the front. I don't know if any of you can remember this kind of tongue and groove panelling. I remember I tried it in my bathroom. This was in back in the day, but then you painted it white to stay in with the Joneses, and then now it's no longer in, you rip it down. But I love the pipe work in here, absolutely amazing. All surface mounted, plenty of elbows, look at that, sexy. But yeah, so loads of add-ons, loads of things have been falling to bits. But yeah, that's the ground floor. And then up the staircase. As you walk up the staircase, you feel like you're falling over. So what's happened is, over the years, there's been a structural report done, and they fitted these buttress walls for support. So I don't know if you can see at the wall there, there's a camera showing you very well, but it's a bit kinky. So that is one buttress, and the other one is that's been designed by a structural engineer to make sure these walls stay standing up and not buckle anymore. So walk upstairs, all embossed paper. This was a HMO previously, 4-bed. So up here what's going to happen is originally we were going to pull that door for the bedroom all the way down to here, have a mini kitchenette and a bathroom, but the council always want one shared facility, so that's going to be stay roughly there. Well, that door's going to be pulled down to here. That door will pull forward, but not as much, and then it's going to be a ensuite bedroom with another kitchen, also a kitchen there. So let's go up here. Look at this door. This is how it's been damaged and knocked, and someone think it's clever to put wallpaper on a door to hide the damage. So this is going to be bedroom 4, let's call this, which will be overlooking that big extension. So you can look in the back garden now. We've already started to cut some trees down, get ready, prepared. We've cut the wall back a little bit wider, so it's all falling down anyway on the edges, but also that's enough width now for getting skip in. A good cost saving tip to keep your build on budget, or at least in budget. Otherwise you have to have permits for the road from the skip company. So this is what bedroom 3. That wall will get pushed through the back, so it's stood to make it feel bigger. Bedroom 4, 1 to 3 on the ground, 4 there. Bedroom 5, pretty simple. Take everything back, remove the wardrobes. Bedroom ensuite, that's 5. 6 is going to be there. So once again, we'll take this out. We'll have another doorway, corridor, a communal kitchen again. Like I say, so you got 1 downstairs, 2, 3. You got 3 or 4 in here. I've got the plans up. So you walk through a door, kitchen down that way. There'll be a doorway roughly here. You open that, go into that bedroom. So you can imagine it's roughly there. So a doorway in there, kitchen. You have another door here, fire door, and you've got your ensuite right in the corner. So yeah, this is bedroom number 6. 3 on ground floor, 4 over there, 5 through there, 6 here. 7th up into the loft. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and copy this staircase. We're going to do a return. It'll either go straight up, or there'll be an uphill landing and up. We've got to be careful of the window, you see. Possibly got safety glass if it's not already. So what we'll do, staircase straight up into the pitch with a dormer on the back. And in the loft, I'll show you as we progress, that is going to be a dormer loft conversion with a mini kitchen in there as well. Let me turn the camera around. Bloody hair, can't wait to get this cut. If you're watching this after COVID, and we had something in 2020 and 2021 lockdown, so this is what happened, barbers were shut. So yeah, that's where I ask Coley and crew, if you are looking to invest or convert, or you've already got a property that you want to convert, get in touch. We cover Stoke, Newcastle-under-Lyme and Crewe. We also do the lettings as well, so if you're looking for lettings, we are number 1 in the area, so get in touch. And this is the kind of things that we do. Anything from a little buy-to-let refurb up to a commercial conversion, we can help you out. So stay tuned, I'll keep you updated as we progress on the project.